Lead code question number 767. Reorganize string. This is medium question. Let's get into it. Given a string as, check if the letters can be rearranged so that two characters that are adjacent to each other are not the same. If possible, output or any possible result. If not possible, return the empty string. Okay, let's check with example 1. S is AAB, so we able to make ABA, right? So we return to, okay, let's check example 2 is AAB. So because A is 3, B 1, so even B here or here, A must be duplicated. So return is empty string. How we gonna do? This time I will gonna use the heap and so first I will make a hash map, and the key is character and the value is frequency of the character. So I will put it into heap, and then first item is frequency and character. I will put this tuple into heap, and then getting the max the frequency first. At this time A is the A2, 2A and 1B, right? So get to first, so put A here, and then next put plus B. I'll pop the each iteration I will pop the two items, first largest and the second the biggest and the second biggest frequency, and then next is that I will push if frequency is more than 1, bigger than 1, I will. B is just 1, so that means no need to input push again, but A is the need to, so decrease frequency 1 and then put it 2, and then next time heap has only 1A, so pop this one to append to last, so A, B, A we able to get. Does this make sense? Okay, let's implement the code. Okay, first we need to import a collection to use counter, and then heap Q for it to use heap. So first count is collections counter S. So now we have the hash map, and then we need the heap array, also output array. And then okay, let's put the heap for character and frequency and count, and the count does not have iterations, so items, and then put the heap append. I will put the tuple line frequency because Python only provide min heap, and then character before, and then we need to heapify heap Q and heapify heap. Then iteration item of heap exists. Okay, so first I need to pop first frequency and first character I will get from heap Q, heap pop, heap, and then I will put into the output first character, and then let's check if not heap. At that time there are two cases. First, if first frequency smaller than -1, that means that there are still remained more than 2, then we need to return empty. This is this case. We use A, B, and then we left 2A. In this case, we return empty space. Otherwise, we need to break because we used the heap. And then, okay, then get the second item from the heap. Second frequency, second character. Heap Q, heap pop, heap. And then also I put append second character. Then next, if first frequency smaller than -1, I will input heap again. So at that time, heap Q, heap push, heap frequency we need to update. Frequency +1 because we use 1, right? And then first character. Also second is the same. -1, heap Q, heap push, heap, and then second frequency +1, and then second character. Then after finish that, I return join output. Yeah, I think. Okay, looks good. Let's submit. Hope. Let me pick the typo. Okay, looks good. Also, let's check with complexity. Worst case, there are only the one character. The frequency is 1 in 1. So A, B, C, D at that time, that is the worst case. That is the heap size is same as S, right? Because every value frequency is 1. At that time, the time complexity, this one is N, this one also N, and the space complexity, this one is N. So we can say space, the linear time with the linear space. Thank you.